Welcome to Auto Info channel. Today we are talking about Bajaj Pulsar 150. The Bajaj Pulsar 150 is a masterpiece of engineering, blending style, performance, and technology into one impressive package. Designed to dominate both city streets and open highways, this motorcycle has become a symbol of power and reliability. The aerodynamic design ensures not just visual appeal but also enhanced performance, reducing drag and allowing smoother rides even at higher speeds. Its sharp curves and bold stance exude confidence, making it a head-turner wherever it goes. Powered by a robust 149.5cc engine, the Pulsar 150 delivers an exhilarating performance that is both refined and efficient. The engine features advanced technologies like DTSI, which ensures maximum power with optimal fuel efficiency. This combination allows riders to enjoy unmatched performance while keeping running costs low, making it an ideal choice for both daily commuters and thrill seekers. The motorcycle's suspension system is designed to offer superior comfort, even on rough roads. With telescopic front forks and dual spring-loaded rear shock absorbers, the Pulsar 150 absorbs shocks effortlessly, ensuring a smooth and comfortable ride. The wide and cushioned seat further enhances comfort, making long rides less tiring. Its ergonomic design is optimized for rider comfort, with a perfect balance between sportiness and practicality. The handlebar position, seat height, and footpeg placement work together to provide a relaxed yet engaging riding posture, suitable for riders of all ages and preferences. Safety has always been a priority in the Pulsar lineup, and the Pulsar 150 is no exception. Equipped with a powerful disc brake at the front and a drum brake at the rear, the motorcycle offers excellent stopping power and stability. The addition of single-channel ABS ensures better control during sudden braking, reducing the risk of skidding and enhancing rider safety. The tire setup complements the braking system, with wide and grippy tubeless tires that provide excellent traction on both wet and dry surfaces. This ensures a confident ride even under challenging road conditions. The Pulsar 150 also excels in the technology department. Its semi-digital instrument cluster provides all essential information at a glance, including speed, fuel level, trip meter, and odometer readings. The backlit display is easy to read, even in low light conditions. The inclusion of features like a side stand indicator, low fuel warning, and service reminder reflects Bajaj's commitment to convenience and practicality. The LED tail lamp adds a modern touch to the bike's design while improving visibility for other road users. Another standout feature of the Pulsar 150 is its fuel efficiency. Despite its powerful performance, the bike is engineered to deliver impressive mileage, making it one of the most fuel-efficient models in its segment. This balance of power and efficiency has been a key factor in the Pulsar 150's enduring popularity over the years. The build quality of the Pulsar 150 is robust and durable, designed to withstand the demands of everyday use. Its high-quality materials and precision engineering ensure longevity, making it a reliable companion for years to come. The paint finish is top-notch, with vibrant colors that resist fading and maintain their shine even after prolonged exposure to the elements. The Bajaj Pulsar 150 is available in multiple color options, allowing riders to choose a variant that best suits their personality. Each color option is carefully chosen to highlight the bike's sporty design and aggressive character. From classic black to vibrant red, every shade is designed to make a statement. Customization options further enhance the ownership experience, with a range of accessories available to personalize the bike according to individual preferences. Whether it's adding a stylish windshield, upgrading the seat, or enhancing storage capacity, Bajaj offers a variety of options to cater to diverse needs. The Pulsar 150 is not just a motorcycle, it's a lifestyle choice. Its blend of performance, comfort, safety, and style has won the hearts of millions of riders across the country. It's a bike that appeals to both the heart and the mind, offering an unmatched combination of thrill and practicality. The wide network of Bajaj service centers and dealerships ensures that owners receive excellent after-sales support, making maintenance hassle-free. Spare parts are readily available, and the brand's commitment to customer satisfaction further enhances the ownership experience. Over the years, the Pulsar 150 has evolved to keep pace with changing market trends and customer expectations. Each new iteration brings updates and enhancements, ensuring that the bike remains relevant and competitive. From minor tweaks in design to major technological upgrades, the Pulsar 150 continues to set benchmarks in its segment. Its legacy is built on trust and performance, earning it a loyal fanbase that spans generations. The resale value of the Pulsar 150 is another testament to its enduring appeal. Thanks to its reliability and popularity, the bike holds its value well, making it a smart investment for prospective buyers. Whether you're a first-time rider or an experienced enthusiast, the Pulsar 150 offers something for everyone. It's a bike that adapts to your needs, offering an exhilarating yet practical riding experience that's hard to match. Its affordability further adds to its appeal, offering premium features at a competitive price point. This makes it accessible to a wide range of customers, from students to professionals and everyone in between. The Pulsar 150 is more than just a mode of transportation, it's a symbol of freedom and adventure. It represents the joy of riding, the thrill of exploration, and the satisfaction of owning a machine that truly understands your needs. It's a bike that inspires confidence, encourages exploration, and delivers on its promises every time you hit the road. In a market filled with options, the Bajaj Pulsar 150 stands out as a true icon. It's a bike that has redefined expectations, setting new standards in performance, design, and reliability. Whether you're cruising through city traffic, taking on winding mountain roads, or embarking on a long journey, the Pulsar 150 is your trusted companion, ready to deliver an unforgettable riding experience. Its legacy is not just about numbers or accolades, it's about the countless stories of riders who have trusted it to be a part of their journey. The Bajaj Pulsar 150 is not just a motorcycle, it's a statement, a legacy, and a promise of excellence that continues to inspire riders across the globe. Please like and subscribe my channel so you never miss any updates.